Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to my channel, The Baloch Scholar. Today I am starting question number 3 of exercise 3.1, chapter number 3, sets and function. Okay, question number 3 is if U set U, that is universal set, is equal to xx belongs to n represents the natural numbers, we will write the natural number 5 to 20. The other set is E is equal to xx belongs to O. So O is representing the all numbers. Okay, we will write it to 5 to 19, and F is equal to xx belongs to E. E belongs to even number. Okay. First of all, I will write the numbers of universal set, that is U is equal to, I write the natural number till 5 to 20. Okay, this is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Okay, 5 to 20. Okay, natural numbers 5 to 20. This is 5 to 20. Okay, let's come to another set, that is x belongs to all numbers. Okay, 5 to 19. You write the all numbers till 5 to 19. Set E is equal to, okay, all numbers 5, 7, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. Okay, these are it is the set of all numbers starting from 5 till 19. Okay, now I will write the set of even numbers. Okay, starting from 6 to 20, that is 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. Okay, it is set U, that is universal set, it is set E, and it is set F. Okay, okay, come to question number 1, that is E difference F. Okay, when you are saying the difference is coming, so I will write the numbers of one set, that is E. Okay, here we are having set E and set F both, but I will only write the elements of set E because it is E difference F. If it was F difference E, so I was supposed to write the elements of set F. So now I will solve it. Okay, E set E difference F. Okay, I will directly write it. E difference F is equal to, so I'm directly writing the solution. So in set E, what are the elements or numbers of set E? 5, 7, 11, 13, 15, 17 and 19. Okay, these are the set of set E. Okay, it is E difference F. Okay, it was E difference F, so I wrote the elements of set E only. Okay, so my next question is likewise, that is F difference E. So now I will write only the elements of F, set F. So it is set F, so only I will write the elements of set F. See here, that is 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. Okay, means I took out the difference. Okay, and difference you only take the elements of one set. Okay, if it is E difference F, so you will write the elements of set E. If that is F difference E, so you will only write the elements of set F. Okay, come to the third question, that is E power C. So whenever you see this C, okay, This means okay, u minus e, okay. You will write it u minus e. So I will take the difference of set u. Okay, I will take the difference of universal set. Okay, so this means this c means u minus e. Okay, so this c means this c is complement. Okay, complement. This c is complement. This is another term. So complement. What is complement? It includes elements outside the given set within the universal set. So whenever you are supposed to find the complement, so you will make it likewise. You will use the universal set. It is e complement. Okay. So you will write it u minus e. Okay. Okay. As you know, this is the u set that is the set of natural number 5 till 20, and this is set of all number. Set E is set of all number 5 till 19. So now I will find the difference of universal set u and set u. Okay. So for that I will see in both sets if there are common. So I will ignore the common. This is the common. This is the common. 7 is the common. As you know, if 11 is the common. Okay. This 13 is the common. 15 is the common. Okay. 17 is the common. So I will ignore these. Okay, so after ignoring these I will write the remaining number. Okay, what are the remaining number? So I'll write it u minus e is equal to, so I'll write the set according 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. Okay, these are the numbers remaining. Okay, because I ignored the commons. Okay, then whatever numbers were remaining, so I wrote them here. Okay, okay, in set u in universal sets there were some common that were present in set e, so I ignored the commons of set u and wrote others number. Okay, so I wrote 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. Okay, this is the set. So the fourth one is f complement. This means it will be written likewise. So this is f complement. For that I will write it u minus f. Okay, u minus f. So I will find the elements of. Okay, I will see the commons. Okay, here. Okay, see here we have 6 is common because it is present in both set f and universal set u. So we have, so 8 is common. So we have 10 is common. We have 12 is common. We have got 14 is common. And we have got 16 is common. 18 is common. And 20 is common. Okay. 20 is common. Okay. So now I will see the start it here. Okay. We don't have 5 here. So I'll write it. It will be 5, 7. So I don't have 7 here. I write 7. 9. I don't have 9 in this set. So I write 9. So I don't have 11 here. I don't have 11 in this set. So I'll write 11, 13, 15, 17 and 19. Okay, these are not the common. These are the remaining numbers or elements and this set. Okay, and u set. Okay, this is f complement. Okay, okay, u difference f. We can find the complement likewise. Okay, come to another question, that is E union F, bracket and complement. First of all, I will find out the E union F, then I will find out its complement. Okay, so for finding out the unions, I'm supposed to write the numbers. Okay, so in E set we have, okay, in E set we have 5, 7, 11, 13, 15. This is 17 and 19. This will be union. This is an F set. We have 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. Okay, now I will take out its union, that is E union F. So I'll make these number together. I will combine this number. That will be 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. So by combining these both sets, we will get this set. Okay, so now I will find out the difference. Okay, I mean complement. For finding out the complement, I will use universal set, that is universal set minus E union F. E union F. Okay, this is universal set. Okay, E union F. So as you know, universal set is the, what is the universal set? That is the set of natural number starting from 5 to 20. So 5 to 20. First of all, I will take out the common. Okay, by taking out the commons both sides, okay, means we will ignore the common both sides and set E union F and universal set both have same elements. So we will make it a empty set, means that set will be empty. Okay. Okay, come to another question, that is E intersection F bracket complement. That is, first of all, I will solve the part of intersection. So this is my E set and this is my F set. So I will find out the intersection. Okay, I will see in these both sets, set E and set F. So I will see the commons and write it in the intersection set. So I find no common here. Okay, there are no common. So write E intersection F. So that will be an empty set. So set will be empty because I found out no commons and two sets. Okay, so now I will write, for writing the complement, I will use the universal set minus E intersection F is equal to, as you know, E intersection F is empty, so I will write only the digits of universal set. So I can also write U here, means universal set. So I will also write the set of universal set, that is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 till 20, means set of natural numbers 5 till 20. That is the universal set. Okay, come to another question, that is E complement union F complement. As you remember, we have found out the E complement and F complement both in previous questions. So we will directly write the value of them. So first of all, I will find out the E complement, that is E complement is equal to U minus E. So it is equal to, as we have find it out in previous question, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. Okay. Now I will find out the F complement, that is U minus F. So it is equals to 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17 and 19. Okay. Okay, as complements are find out, so now I will take the union. So union will be E complement union F complement. So union is the combination of two sets into a single set. So I will write the all numbers. That will be 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 till 20. Okay, this is my E complement union F complement. Okay, come to the last question of this. Okay, E complement intersection F complement. So in 7th question it was union, but it is intersection. So in, as you know, the value of E complement is this. Okay, E complement equals to 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. Okay, and value of F complement is this. Okay, so I will write 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17 and 19. Okay, as I find out the complements, now I will find out the intersection. E complement intersection F complement. So as you know, intersection is finding out the commons. So we will see the commons both set contains common. Okay, see here, there is no common mention here. Okay, no common mention in both set. So my set will be empty. My set will be empty.